Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your payment method on Vinted in 2026. So if your card is expired, you want to use a different bank or you want to switch the payment options before buying something, Vinted is definitely going to let you update it very easily. So first of all, come here on vinted.com. Afterwards, log in into your account. Then click on the option of your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Among the given options in this list, simply click on the option of settings. Once you are inside your settings, by default, it is going to show you the profile details tab. But among the given tabs over here, simply click on the option of payments. Now here it is going to show you the payment options that you have added previously. Plus, in addition to it, you will see the option of add card. So here you just have to click on the option of add card, and now you can provide your new card details over here. Once you are done, it will be added here very easily. If you want to make changes into the payout options, you can click on the option of add bank account. Now you need to provide your account holder's name, the account number, routing number, account type, and your billing address. So once you fill out this form, click on the option of save. Then all of the changes that you have made, all of the cards or the bank accounts that you have added in Vinted will appear on this particular page. So this is how you can change the payment on Vinted in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.